Holy shit.
Oh, that might be a buzzkill.
What's a buzzkill? Are y'all really gonna set that off, Beck?
Oh my god.
When I light it, I'm gonna go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, woo!
Just get up there.
I'm gonna go up with him.
I don't know how he's gonna get back.
I think he's gonna run. Probably. He might run. The question is, what house is he lying it up at? Oh, dang, I want to see it. Well, where the... Okay.
Shut the fuck up!
Who did that?
Oh, my Lord! Oh, my... Holy crap, that... Look at the smoke. Holy crap. Alright, okay. That was fucking awesome. Okay, I'm turning the camera off.